When you open an Excel file, you sometimes get asked about external links. So you'll see here we either get a message like this, or there's sometimes a message up here. We find that very useful. It tells you exactly what's happening in the spreadsheet, and there is some sort of a link. But if you don't like that, what you can do is you go to Data, Edit Links, and that shows you the links. But you'll see here there's something called Startup Prompt. When you click on it, you have some options. So the default is that message appears. You can decide whether you want what you want to do with it. But notice you've got Don't Display the Alert and Don't Update Automatic Links. And you also have Don't Display the Alert and Update Links. So depending on what you want, you can choose one of those two. And when you then run it, it'll do one of these two actions.